This is not the future. It's happening now. AI replacing humans, machines breaking reality, technology rewriting life itself. Power is shifting, jobs are disappearing. These emerging technologies won't change the world, they will control it. Watch till the end or get left behind. IBM Quantum Computer. IBM's quantum system represents the first large-scale fault-tolerant quantum computer, codenamed Starling, expected to arrive by 2029, marking a major leap in computing power and reliability. This next-generation platform will execute more than 100 million quantum operations using 200 logical qubits, making it roughly 20,000 times more powerful than current systems. What makes it truly revolutionary is the use of advanced error correction codes, which dramatically reduce hardware requirements while significantly boosting performance. Housed inside a new quantum data center in New York, Starling is expected to unlock real-world applications in areas such as drug discovery, material science, and logistics. Supported by IBM's multi-year roadmap and strategic partnerships, this breakthrough could finally bring dependable quantum computing into reality. Proxima Fusion. Proxima Fusion is a cutting-edge startup on a mission to unlock the power of nuclear fusion, the same energy source that fuels the sun. Based in Germany and spun out of the prestigious Max Planck Institute, Proxima Fusion is developing stellarator-based fusion reactors, a complex yet promising design that offers greater stability and efficiency compared to traditional fusion concepts. Through advanced simulations, AI-driven optimization, and next-generation superconducting magnets, Proxima Fusion aims to make clean and limitless fusion energy a reality far sooner than expected. This technology has the potential to completely transform the global energy landscape by providing a safe, sustainable, and virtually infinite power source for the future. Robot 1X. Robot 1X, developed by the Norwegian company 1X Technologies, is one of the most advanced humanoid robots designed to work safely alongside humans in real-world environments. Built at human height, with lifelike movement and AI-powered perception, Robot 1X is designed to perform everyday tasks, whether assisting in homes, offices, or factories. Equipped with advanced vision, motor control, and decision-making capabilities, it can learn from and adapt to its surroundings, making it ideal for repetitive or hazardous jobs. Backed by major investors such as OpenAI, Robot 1X is more than just a machine. It represents the future of robotics, where intelligent and helpful humanoid assistants could soon become part of daily life. Micron's chip. Micron is launching a historic $200 billion expansion to build the largest semiconductor fabrication complex ever in the United States, featuring cutting-edge memory chip facilities in Idaho, Virginia, and up to 4 megafabs in New York. With $150 billion allocated to memory manufacturing, including massive clean room construction near Syracuse, and $50 billion dedicated to research and development, Micron aims to produce 40% of its DRAM chips domestically. Supported by CHIPS Act funding and federal investment credits, this bold initiative is expected to create tens of thousands of jobs, strengthen America's leadership in AI and technology, and secure the nation's semiconductor supply chain. Engineered to begin DRAM production by 2027 and scale throughout the late 2020s, Micron's MegaFab initiative marks a new era in U.S. chip independence. Willow Quantum Chip. Willow is a state-of-the-art quantum chip designed to push the limits of quantum computing and unlock the next generation of processing power. Built with extreme precision and housed in an ultra-cold environment near absolute zero, Willow can handle complex quantum operations that classical computers cannot manage. It uses superconducting qubits to perform calculations at unimaginable speeds, opening the door to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, cryptography, drug discovery, and beyond. As part of the race to build a practical quantum computer, Willow represents a major milestone, signaling the transition from theoretical promise to real-world quantum applications capable of transforming industries worldwide. Electric aircraft. Electric-powered aircraft represent one of the most transformative advancements in modern aviation. Designed to make flying cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable, these aircraft use electric propulsion systems powered by advanced batteries, hybrid generators, or even hydrogen fuel cells to replace or supplement traditional jet engines. Companies are developing lightweight, high-density energy storage solutions and highly efficient electric motors to maximize range and performance. This technology not only reduces carbon emissions, but also lowers operating costs and enables new forms of air travel, such as short-haul urban air mobility and regional electric flights. As battery technology continues to evolve, electrified aircraft are set to revolutionize the skies with quieter takeoffs, reduced fuel consumption, and a bold step toward net zero aviation. Synthetic biology and lab-grown meat. Synthetic biology and lab-grown meat are reshaping the future of food as we know it. Through advanced genetic engineering, scientists can now grow real meat, such as beef, chicken, and fish, directly from animal cells without the need to raise or slaughter animals. These cells are cultivated in bioreactors with nutrients and oxygen, forming muscle tissue that looks, tastes, and feels like traditional meat. This innovation significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water consumption, while eliminating animal cruelty and lowering the risk of foodborne diseases. As the technology advances, lab-grown meat is becoming more scalable and affordable, offering a cleaner, safer, and more ethical way to feed the world. Vision OS 2.4. Vision OS 2.4 delivers a major upgrade to Apple Vision Pro by introducing powerful Apple Intelligence features that take spatial computing to the next level. Users can now access AI-powered writing tools, smart replies in messages and mail, Genmoji creation, memory movies, and the image playground for generating creative visuals. The update also adds a stunning spatial gallery app that showcases immersive photos and videos, along with a new Vision Pro companion app for iPhone that allows users to browse and manage apps remotely. Guest mode has been improved with easier invitations and saved calibrations, while dictation editing and travel mode enhancements make the experience even smoother. With Vision OS 2.4, Apple Vision Pro becomes smarter, more intuitive, and more social than ever before. 3D printed heart. The 3D printed heart stands as one of the most groundbreaking breakthroughs in modern medical technology, offering hope to millions of patients waiting for organ transplants. By using a patient's own cells, scientists can now 3D print a bioengineered heart, complete with blood vessels, chambers, and muscle tissue. Each heart is customized to reduce the risk of rejection and precisely match the individual's anatomy. This technology relies on specialized bioprinters that layer living cells and biomaterials to construct functional heart structures with remarkable accuracy. Although still in the experimental phase, the ultimate goal is to produce fully transplantable, lab-grown hearts, transforming how heart disease and organ failure are treated and marking a major step forward in regenerative medicine. NTT Data Technology. NTT Data is a global technology leader driving digital transformation through advanced solutions in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, IoT, and sustainable innovation. With more than $30 billion in annual revenue and multi-billion-dollar investments, NTT Data supports 75% of the Fortune Global 100, helping organizations accelerate growth while reducing their carbon footprint. Its technologies power everything from smart cities and private 5G networks to low-code platforms and green software solutions. Backed by over 10,000 data and AI experts worldwide, NTT Data is shaping the future across industries, including finance, healthcare, and mobility, through intelligent automation, immersive virtual and augmented reality, and strategic partnerships with global leaders such as Toyota. Space architecture. Space architecture is an exciting and rapidly evolving field focused on designing habitats and structures for living and working beyond Earth. From lunar bases and Martian colonies to space stations orbiting the planet, space architecture combines engineering, science, and design to create safe, functional, and livable environments under extreme conditions. It accounts for challenges such as microgravity, radiation exposure, energy efficiency, and psychological well-being, ensuring astronauts can survive and thrive during long-duration missions. With organizations like NASA and private companies such as SpaceX advancing ambitious plans for the Moon, Mars, and beyond, space architecture is no longer science fiction, but a practical blueprint for humanity's future in space. Kawasaki Alice System. Kawasaki's Alice System is a revolutionary travel concept that allows passengers to move seamlessly across cars, trains, ships, and aircraft without ever leaving their personal cabin. These futuristic Alice cabins are powered by clean hydrogen energy and feature robotic arms capable of serving drinks, assisting with clothing, or handing over personal items. Designed for maximum comfort and accessibility, the cabin includes smart glass walls that display scenic views, entertainment, or even enable virtual meetings and remote medical consultations. Unveiled for Expo 2025 in Osaka, the Alice System promises a smooth, personalized, and stress-free travel experience that blends luxury, artificial intelligence, and sustainability into a single seamless journey. Lemur 2 drone. The Lemur 2 drone by Brink is a powerful next-generation tactical drone built to operate in high-risk situations where sending a human would be dangerous. Designed for public safety and emergency response, it features 4K video, night vision, thermal imaging, and a LiDAR-powered autonomy system that allows it to map and navigate indoor spaces without GPS or lighting. Whether deployed in hostage situations, hazardous material incidents, or search and rescue operations, the Lemur 2 can break through glass, self-right when overturned, and stream live video while hovering in place. Its rugged, water-resistant construction, encrypted two-way audio, and ability to carry small payloads make it a true robotic first responder delivering critical intelligence directly to teams on the ground. VAST, the next giant leap. VAST is leading the next major leap in space exploration with its ambitious plan to construct the world's first commercial space stations. Beginning with Haven 1, scheduled to launch aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 by 2026, the station will accommodate up to 4 astronauts on 30-day missions and feature Starlink laser internet, a domed Earth viewing window, and onboard research facilities. This is only the beginning, as VAST plans to launch Haven 2 by 2028. A larger multi-module station equipped with docking ports, robotic arms, and experimental artificial gravity systems. Supported by significant funding and partnerships with SpaceX and NASA, VAST is shaping the next generation of space habitats and enabling sustainable living and working in low Earth orbit beyond the retirement of the ISS. G1T4 M1N1 droid. Imagine a futuristic droid that imprints on its leader much like a loyal companion, automatically following them wherever they go while carrying their belongings. This intelligent robot uses advanced computer vision, sensors, and artificial intelligence to identify and lock onto its assigned human, tracking their movements smoothly across different environments. Whether operating in a home, airport, or workplace, the droid moves effortlessly, adjusting speed and direction to stay close while transporting bags, tools, or supplies. It functions as a personal robotic assistant that not only follows its user, but also understands daily routines, blending convenience, automation, and companionship into one compact mobile unit. Sunbird Nuclear Fusion Rocket. Sunbird is a next-generation nuclear fusion rocket developed by Pulsar Fusion, designed to transform space travel to destinations such as Mars, Titan, and the asteroid Psyche. Powered by a direct fusion drive, it can achieve speeds of up to 500,000 miles per hour, dramatically reducing travel time and enabling faster deep space missions. The 30-meter-long spacecraft remains in orbit as a reusable space tug, delivering clean and sustainable thrust, while also generating 2 megawatts of onboard power to support communications, instruments, and life support systems. With testing expected by 2020-2025 and a full in-orbit demonstration planned for 2027, Sunbird represents a major step toward the future of interplanetary exploration. Plantiform Indoor Garden. The Plantiform Indoor Garden is a groundbreaking innovation that brings the future of gardening directly into the home. Inspired by NASA's fogponics technology, it uses an advanced misting system to deliver nutrients straight to plant roots, eliminating the need for soil and encouraging faster, healthier growth. Its sleek and space-saving design makes it ideal for modern homes, apartments, and offices, while its built-in AI system automatically manages lighting, humidity, and watering schedules to create optimal growing conditions. From fresh herbs and leafy greens to decorative plants, the Plantiform Indoor Garden makes growing food effortless, clean, and sustainable, offering a glimpse into the future of smart living. If you want next, YouTube documentary voice, short-form viral narration, more aggressive tech tone, further tightening without losing meaning. Just tell me what style you want.